Okay, very good evening to all of you. Every day you are going to join the session for paper analysis, and today we are also joining the session for analysis of mathematics 2, that is geometry practice paper 4. Okay, so myself Sujata Verma, I am from Kolaba Municipal Secondary School, and today I am going to analyze the paper geometry paper, whatever you have attempted today. Now, let's start today's session. Before start the paper analysis, first of all, we discuss few points related to our paper. The first point is examination format. So everyone know the examination format. So again, we revise the examination format. Okay. Now, our subject is mathematics and it is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is called as algebra and part 2 is geometry. So here we discuss the examination format. So it is divided into two parts, written examination and internal evaluation. So what about written examination? So written examination is of 40 marks. That means part 1 is of 40 marks and part 2 is of 40 marks. 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 marks. Here, see, mathematics part 1, 40 marks, and for 40 marks, the time duration is 2 hours. Similarly, for mathematics part 2, again 40 marks and time duration is 2 hours. So this 40 plus 40 is equal to 80 marks. And the second part, that is internal evaluation, is of 20 marks. So this 80 plus 20 is equal to total 100 marks. So our paper is of 100 marks. So here we are, see first next part, that is second part, that is internal evaluation. So what about internal evaluation? So internal evaluation is again is into two parts, assignment and practical. Assignment is of 10 marks and practical is of 10 marks. That means assignment is again divided into two parts, part 1 of 5 marks and part 2 of 5 marks. See here total 20. So assignment, mathematics 1 assignment 5 marks and mathematics 2 assignment 5 marks. So here this 10 marks is from maths 1 and maths 2, that is equal to 10 marks. Okay, so written 80 marks, that is 40 plus 40, and assignment 10 marks, that is 80 plus 10 is equal to 90 marks. Then what about practicals? So practical is of 10 marks. So let's see. And again, see here, note for assignment of maths 1 and maths 2, there are 5 activities, okay, which may be like a MCQ type question. So each activity carry 1 marks. That means 5 marks from maths 1 and 5 marks from maths 2, that is equal to 10 marks. Now we discuss the second part, that is the practical parts. See in the next slide, practical examination. Now see, practical examination is total of 10 marks, but here maths 1 is conducted of 10 marks and maths 2 is also of 10 marks. That means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 marks. So the distribution of marks for practical is like this. Your journal book, methodology is of 3 marks, observation, calculation, drawing is of 5 marks, and conclusion answer 2 marks. That is equal to 10 marks. So this 10 marks is from math 1 and 10 marks is from maths 2. So 10 plus 10 20 हो गया है, लेकिन this 20 marks will get converted into 10 marks. So this 10 plus assignment 10 plus written 80, that is equal to 100 marks. So in this way, our mathematics total marks of mathematics paper is 100 marks. Okay, students. Now the next part, see, that is time management. So for exam or for during our examination, proper time management is very important. See here the marks is 40 and the duration of time is 2 hours. So that means 2 hours means 1 hour is equal to 60, to 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. So let me discuss how to solve the paper and how we will manage our time. So the paper pattern means mathematics paper pattern में 5 questions रहते हैं like that. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. Question 1 is again divided into two sub questions. Question number 1A, question number 1B. So there is no option in question number 1, and each question carry 1 mark, and there is no option. And question number 2 again divided into two sub questions, A and B. So question 2A is activity type question, and question 2B is solve the following sub questions. So in question number 2, some options are given. You have to solve any 2 or any 4 out of the given questions. Question number 3, again A and B part. A is like activity type question, and B is solve the following questions. Question 4 and question 5 is like seen questions, unseen seen questions, and challenging type question. So here, see, just a minute. Okay, now there are total 40 marks and time is 120. So when we divide 120 by 40, so 1 mark is equal to 3 minutes. That means for 1 marks, we have 3 minutes. So for each 1 mark, we give 3 minutes. So in question number 1A, that is the MCQ type question. So there are 4 MCQs and each MCQ carry 1 marks. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So according to this rule, time allotted for 4 questions, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. But we utilize here 8 minutes, and we save our 4 minutes here. Means for each question, we use only 2 minutes. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and we save our 4 minutes here. Similarly, in question number 1B, it's a 2 or 3 step solution answer. So again, there are 4 questions. Each question carry 1 mark. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. No option. According to this rule, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. But we again here we save our 4 minutes and we utilize 8 minutes here. So this 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 minutes. Okay. Now see question number 2A. Question number 2A is like activity type question. So boxes are given. You have to fill the boxes, and each question carry 2 marks. So you have to attempt any 2 questions out of 3, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 4 marks here. Now next, so according to this, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and here again we save our 4 minutes here. Okay, same question number 2B. Total questions are 5, and options are here. You have to solve any 4 out of 5, and each question carry 2 marks. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Time allotted 24. We utilize here 16 minutes and we save 8 minutes. Then question number 3A, activity type question. There are 2 questions. You have to solve any one, and this question carry 3 marks. So 3 into 3, 9. But we again save our 3 minutes here. For question number 3B, there are total 4 questions. You have to attempt only 2 questions, and each question carried 3 marks. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And time allotted for this is 18 minutes. And here we save 3 minutes, means each question we take 7 to 8 minutes to solve each question. Okay. Now this extra time means this save time we can use in question number 4 or question number 5. So question number 4 question. There are 3 questions. You have to attempt any 2, and each question carry 4 marks. That means total marks is 8. And here we require much time. See, so we utilize our save time, and then we take extra time. Here is the 24 minutes allotted, but we take 6 minutes extra, and then we utilize 30 minutes here. Similarly, in next question, we can also utilize our save time. And again, after solving, you see 14 minutes are left, and these 14 minutes we check the paper, underline and highlight the answer like that. So you can also see. Okay. Now this management is very important. Next. Now expectation of mark from each questions. See here. Written examination. See. Now see question number 1A and question number 1B, MCQ and 2-step questions. So there are total 8 questions. We expect 6 out of 8. Now question number 2A and question number 3. activity based type question. So 2A carry 2 marks and question number 3A carry 3 marks. That means 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we expect only 4 marks out of 7. Now question number 2B, we have to solve any 4 questions. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and we expected 4 out of 8. Question number 3B, we have to solve 2 questions. Each question carry 3 marks. That is total marks is 6, but we expected only 3 marks out of 6. Question number 4 and question number 5, we expected only 3 out of 11. So in this way, the expected marks is 20 out of 40 and 20 in maths 1, 20 in maths 2, that is equal to 40. This is the expected marks. Okay. Now, next. Mathematics part to reduce syllabus. So in this pandemic year 21-22, few portion and topics are omitted from your syllabus. So let's revise. In maths 2, there are total 7 chapters. So first chapter is similarity. So if you want, then take the screenshot of this slide. Here first number is similarity, and the omitted portion is this, like that. Page number from page number 8, angle bisector theorem is totally omitted. 9 page completely omitted. Next is converse of angle bisector theorem, properties of 3 parallel line. This portion are completely omitted from your syllabus. Now see, a few questions are also omitted from practice set 1.2 and from problem set. So this is from chapter number 1, and the chapter number 2 is Pythagoras Theorem. So in this, this 40, 41, 42 page is completely omitted. In 43 page, from practice set 2.2, question number 1 to 5 is omitted. MCQ 6 from problem set 2, and question number 8, 9, 12, 17, and 18 are omitted from your syllabus. Third chapter is circle. From circle, one theorem is omitted, that is the angle between tangent and secant. These pages are completely, that is page number 76 to 82, completely omitted. Problem set ka third question, problem set 3, question number 7, 1 ka 7 MCQ is omitted, and this again 13, 15, 16, 18, 20 to 24 questions are omitted. Now next, fourth chapter is geometric construction. Nothing is omitted from this chapter. Now next is coordinate geometry. So next topic, that is slope of line, is omitted, and few questions from problem set is also omitted. Next is trigonometry. In trigonometric, there are 2 exercises. So second exercise is completely omitted, that is the word problem based exercise. And the 7th chapter, mensuration, that is completely omitted. 7th chapter is omitted from your syllabus. So this is the omitted portion from your syllabus for this year. Okay. Now here we discuss the today's paper analysis. Let's start. Now, question number 1. Question number 1 is again divided into 2 sub questions. Question number 1A. So 1A, that is the MCQ type, multiple choice questions. So first, question number 1A, choose the correct alternative. Okay, so one question is given and 4 alternative options are given. Out of 4, you have to choose any one correct option and the correct option, and each question carry 1 marks. So there are 4 questions. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 marks. So question number 1A is of 4 marks. So first we see first question. Now see, in a right angle triangle, if sum of the square of the side making right angle is 169, then what is the length of the hypotenuse? So see, in this question, right angle triangle is given. Okay, and the sum of the square of the sides of making a right angle is 160. Suppose we write A, B, C here, and the sum of the, this is the right angle, and the sum of the sides, that is A square plus B square is equal to 169 is given. Okay, this is the given question, and you have to find the hypotenuse, that is C is fine. Now when we applying the Pythagoras theorem here, so we write A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay, and this is equal to 169 is equal to C square, and take the square root of 169. So C is equal to 30. That means the correct answer is 13. So options are 15, 13, 5 and 12. The correct answer is 13. Okay. Now next question. Question number second. Find the volume of a cube of side 0.01 centimeter. So in this question, you have to find the volume of a cube. So first we write the formula. So volume of cube is length, matlab sides cube. Okay. And the side is given 0.01. So here we find volume is equal to length. V is equal to L cube. And we substitute here 0.01 cube. Okay. So here see decimal के बाद में 2 है. So we write 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why we write here 6? Here is the cube. अगर square होता तो directly we can write 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So cube. So unit is cubic centimeter. Volume we can write cubic centimeter, and in case of square we write centimeter square or square centimeter. So is options are 1 cubic centimeter, 0.01 cubic centimeter, 0.0001 centimeter cubic centimeter. The correct answer is D, that is 0.00001 cubic centimeter. Third question. The distance of point is given -3, 4 from the origin is dash dash dash. So here you have to find the distance of points. So in this question, one point is given and the word is origin. So here origin, this is the origin and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. And next point is -3, 4. So -3 is here and 4 is here. So this is the point. So you have to find the distance between this point, -3, 4. Now consider this x1, y1, x2, y2, and then apply the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Substitute all the values. X1 is 0, x2 is -3. So -3 square plus 4 square. Yes. -3 का square 9, 4 square is 16, under root 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 is the correct answer. So we check the options 7, 1, 5, -5. So C is the correct answer. Now last MCQ, sin A into cosec A is equal to dash. Again we solve this question. Just a minute. Yes. Now sin A into cosec. So cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So here we write sin A 1 by sin A. So sin A get cancelled. We get 1. So answer is 1. So correct option is A. Okay. Now see next question. Question number 1B. So question number 1B. Question number 1B, short answer problem with 1 or 2 steps. So see, solve the following. There is no option. There are total 4 questions and all questions are compulsory. Each question carry 1 mark. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4 marks. So first question. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their area. So in this question, 2 similar triangles are given and their corresponding sides ratio are given. Okay. And we have to find the ratio of their area. So see the solution. Now see. Here we apply the theorem of area of similar triangle. That is, the ratio of area of 2 similar triangle is always equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So side S1 square upon side S2 square. S1 is, their ratio is 3:5. So 3 square upon 5 square. Square of 3 is 9 and 5 square is 25. So simple, very simple, 2-step solution. Therefore we write the ratio of areas of triangles is equal to 9:25. Okay, students. Now see second question. Question number 2. This is like MCQ type question. See, already we discussed the formula in our MCQ. Find the distance between the point P -5, 7 and Q -1, 3. So in this question, 2 points are given. and you have to find the distance between these 2 points. So P points having coordinate -5, 7 and Q having coordinate -1, 3. So here we apply the distance formula, and distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now see solution. Let we consider point P is x1, y1 and Q be x2, y2. Okay, then comparing, we get x1 is equal to -5, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to -1, and y2 is equal to 5. Then we write the formula, distance formula, under root in bracket x2 minus x1 square plus another bracket y2 minus y1 square. Then substitute all the values. X2 is -1, again minus of -5 square, y2 is 3, -7 square. So -1 minus plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 7 is -4. So 4 square is 8, 16. And again -4 square is 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Okay. And 32 को हम लिख सकते हैं 16 into 2. And 16 is a perfect square root of 4. So here answer is 4 root 2. Okay. So the distance between these 2 points is 4 root 2. Okay. Now next third question. Third question. To draw the circumference of triangle ABC, for how many sides will you draw perpendicular bisector and one? So in this question, no need to draw the circumference, nothing. In this question, they ask, how many sides will you draw? Okay, है ना? Triangle में circumference draw करने के लिए how many sides will you draw perpendicular bisector and why? So see the solution. We will draw any two perpendicular bisector. Only two perpendicular bisector means triangle में there are three sides. So we draw only two perpendicular bisector of any side, and then we find the circumcenter. Okay, circumcenter means when two perpendicular sides meet at one point, that is called as a circumcenter. So we draw the two perpendicular bisector, and then we get a circumcenter of triangle ABC. Okay, now they ask the reason. The circumcenter is the center of the triangle circumcircle. If we draw two perpendicular bisector, then they will intersect, and that is the point where third perpendicular bisector will meet. Means already two meet, that is called as circumcenter, and third is also same point, meet at this point. Okay, so answer is very simple. Two perpendicular bisector is required, and the reason is this. Okay, now question number 4. Very simple. This question is asked from second chapter, that is Pythagoras Theorem. Do side 7 cm, 24 cm, 25 cm form a right angle triangle and give reason. So 3 sides are given. They ask these 3 sides form a right angle triangle. So first we write here. In the triplet, 3 sides are given, so they are called triplet 7, 24, 25. Okay, then we find their square. So squares of 7 is 49, 25 576, and 25 is 625. Then the rule of triplet is the square of the largest side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining 2 sides. So see, here the largest side is the 25 and its square is 625, and then we check the remaining 2 sides square sum, that is 49 plus 576, so we get 625. So here the condition satisfied, that is the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other 2 sides. Therefore, these 3 sides means sides 7 cm, 24 cm, 25 cm form a right angle triangle. Okay, so question 1 finish. I hope you did this and you score 8 marks. Now question number 2A. Activity will be asked with exactly 4 boxes. Okay, so question number 2A is activity based type question, and 4 boxes are given. You have to fill the boxes, and each box carry half marks. Now see question number 2. There are 3 questions. You have to attempt any 2. Each question carry 2 marks. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 marks. So we see first activity. So the chords corresponding to congruent arc of the circle or congruent circle are congruent. So in this question, see here a circle is given, B is the center, and chords are given AC and DE. So they are the chord corresponding to congruent arc. Congruent arc of the circle are congruent. So the given is like that. B is the center of circle and arc APC congruent to DQC. See in the figure, APC congruent to DQE, that is the arc. Now to prove, we have to prove here chord AC is congruent to D. ये हमें proof करना है इस question. Now start proof. So when we join A to B and B to C, we get a triangle ABC. And when we join center B to D and B to E, then we get another triangle, that is BDE. Okay. Now we consider these two triangle ABC and DB. Now side AB. See in the figure, side AB is congruent to DB. AB is congruent to DB. So box is given. In this box, we write that is the radii of the same circle. AB is the radius and BD is the radius. So that is the first box answer is radii of the same circle. Okay. Now next, side dash congruent to side B means BE को congruent है BC. So in second box we write BC. Means side BC is congruent to BE. Radii of the same circle given है. Now angle ABC is congruent to DB. That is the measure of the congruent arc. Okay, that is equal, congruent. Now three conditions are here: two sides and one angle. That means these two triangles are similar by SAS test of similarity. Okay, so in third box we write by SAS test. Now, therefore, if these two triangles are congruent, then the chord AC is congruent to chord DE. And in fourth box we write, yes, so chord AC is congruent to chord D. That is the corresponding congruent side of similar triangle. Okay. Now next, second question. If point P divides the segment AB internally with A minus 1 comma 7 and B 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3, then find the coordinate of point P. So in this question, one line segment is given, that is AB, having coordinate minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3. And P is the point which divides this segment line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so see, first we draw the AB line segment, and P is the point which divides the line segment in the ratio 2:3, and its point is minus 1 comma 7 and B coordinates is 4 comma minus 3. So P divides internally, so here we apply the internal section formula. So first in solution we write, let the coordinate of point P is x comma y, PK points x comma y, and A coordinate x1 y1, B k x2 y2. Okay, then we apply here internal section formula. So internal section formula, x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. In case of y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Now we have m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. x1 y1 x2 y2 value we have, and substitute all the values in this formula. So we put 4 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 and divided by 2 plus 3, right? So 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus minus 3, that is equal to 5. 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. And in case of, excuse me, yes, y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Again, we substitute the value of y1, y2, m and n. So we get 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So here we get minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. So 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Then we write the coordinates of point P are 1, 3. So this is second activity from your question number 2. Now see third activity, you have to attempt any two. But we see third activity. If sec theta is equal to 25 by 7, then find the value of tan theta. Okay. Now, first we check the relation between sec and tan theta. Now, we see the three identities, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. First identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So from these three, we apply this identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So the sec theta is equal to 25 by 7. Then we write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay. Now the value of sec theta is 25 by 7. We substitute here and take the square. So square of 25 is 625 and 7 square is 49. We take this 1 on left hand side. So minus 1, then cross multiply. We get 625 minus 49 upon 49. That is 576 by 49. Then tan square theta is equal to 576 divided by 49. We're taking the square root on both sides. Then we get tan theta is equal to 24 by 7. So here again 4 boxes are given. In first box we write 1 minus 1. Second box we write 576. Third box we write 24. And last box taking square root on both sides. So okay, each box carry 1/2 marks. So total 2 marks here. Okay, so this is the question number second A, activity number 3. Now we discuss the next part, that is question number 2B, problem based on knowledge or understanding. So again, options are here. Solve the following questions, any 4, and total marks is 8, means each question carry 2 marks. Now first question, in triangle PQR, yes, PM is equal to 50 and PR is equal to 20. NR is equal to 8, then find PN. Okay, so see in this question, triangle is given. The triangle is PQR, PM is 15, PR is 20, NR is equal to 8, and you have to find the PN. So see the figure. So PRQ, okay, so PR is 20 and NR is given, then we find PN easily. Okay, now write, see the solution. Okay, so PR is equal to, we write here, PR is equal to PN plus NR. Why we write here? Because P and R are collinear, means they lie on same line. So PN plus NR is equal to PR. And we have PR is equal to 20 and NR is equal to 8. Then we substitute here, 20 is equal to PN plus 8 and PN is equal to 20 minus 8 is equal to 12 units. So PN is equal to 12 units. Very simple question for 2 marks. Okay, only three step solution. Now next question. Question number 2. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter. Okay, see in this question, length of a rectangle is given 16 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter. So this is the rectangle, length and breadth. So area is given. First we write down the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. And here find diagonal. Diagonal means this. So this is the right angle triangle. If we know the length and breadth, then easily by applying Pythagoras theorem, we find the diagonal. So for this diagonal, first we find the breadth. So area is given. Substitute here 192. Length is 16. From this we find the breadth. put the value here and apply Pythagoras theorem, and then easily we find the diagonal of the rectangle. Okay, now see the solution. So area is 192 square centimeter and length is 16 centimeter. Now we apply the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Now length is 192, 16 into breadth. So here breadth is equal to 192 divided by 16. So we get 12 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. But they ask find the diagonal. So then we applying Pythagoras theorem here. For applying Pythagoras theorem, we write here, just a minute. This length is 16 and breadth is 12. Then this is the hypotenuse side, one side square plus other side square. Then easily we find the diagonal. So apply here. Write down diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. So diagonal here we find length is 16, 16 square plus 12 square, 16 square plus 12 square, yes. So 16 square is 256 and 12 square is 144. That is equal to 400. But here is a diagonal square. So we taking the square root and 400 perfect square root is 20. So diagonal is 20 centimeter. Then finally we write the diagonal of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3. In the given figure is given. In this figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Okay. And sec NQ is perpendicular to MP. MQ is equal to 9, QP is equal to 4, and then find NQ. So see the figure. Okay. MNP is a right angle triangle, right? And this NQ is perpendicular to MP. And we have to find the value of NQ. Okay. So given is MQ diya hai 9 and QP is given 4. Okay. Now where we apply the theorem. First we write the given condition here. In triangle MNP, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree and sec NQ is perpendicular to sec MP. Now, where we apply the theorem of geometric mean, that is NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. Okay, NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. So we have MQ is 9 and QP is equal to 4. So we substitute here 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Okay. See, again we write here 3 को हम लिख सकते 3 into 3 and 4 को 2 into 2. We take 1 3 outside from this square and 2 again. So 3 to the 6. In this way you can also solve, or you directly solve 9 into 4, 36, and 36 is the square root of 6. So 6 is the correct answer. Okay, so here we write NQ is equal to 6 unit. Now next question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic. So quadrilateral is given, angle R is given 5x minus 13 degree, and angle N is given 4x plus 4 degree. Okay, now find the measures of angle N and R. Okay, now, so here the quadrilateral is cyclic. That means if the is cyclic, then we write sum of the opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180. That is the properties. So angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. So angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree and angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Right? So we substitute here. In place of angle R, we write 5x minus 13. And in place of angle N, we write 4x plus 4 degree. Now, 5x plus 4x, that is 9x. 13 minus 4, that is minus 9. So here we get 9x minus 9 is equal to 180. Take this minus 9 on right hand side. So 180 plus 9. So 9x is equal to 189. Now, first we find the x value. So x is equal to 189 divided by 9, that is equal to 21. Now, here they ask find the measure of angle N and angle R. So the value of x is 21. Substitute this value in angle R and angle N. So angle R is equal to 5x minus 13. So in place of x, we substitute 21. So 5 into 21 minus 13. So 5 into 21 is 105 minus 13. That is equal to 92 degree. So angle R is equal to 92 degree. Next, angle N. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. That is equal to, we put x is equal to 21 here. So 4 into 21 plus 4, that is 84 plus 4 is equal to 88. Okay. So here, then again we check here. Just a minute. Sorry. Again we check our answer is correct or not. So angle R plus angle N. So angle R is 92 and angle N is 88. Okay. Add this. So we get 180. So our answer is correct. Already we written here. Angle R plus angle N is equal to 180. So in this way, we cross-checked our answer. Okay. Now question number 2 we finish. Now question number 3. We move on question number 3A. 3A is activity type again question. So in this 6 boxes are given and each question carry 3 marks. So in question number 3A, 2 questions are given and you have to attempt in only one. Okay, 2 activities are given. So complete any one of the following activity and the marks is 3 marks. Now first, prove that 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 by 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. So it is activity type question. So आपके पास सबके पास अभी पेपर होगा और आप सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में, see in this question boxes are given. So see solution. First we consider left hand side. So left hand side is 1 by 1 minus sine theta plus 1 by 1 plus sine theta. This is given. Okay. Now, next we take the LCM or we cross multiply. So cross multiply here 1 into 1 plus sine theta. So 1 into 1 plus sine theta plus 1 into 1 minus sine theta. Okay. And divided by dash is given. So in this dash, we write 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. Okay. Now, in first box, we put we write in first bracket 1 minus sine theta, in second bracket 1 plus sine theta. Now, this sine theta plus sine theta minus sine theta get cancelled and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, what to put denominator? In denominator, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. That is, here we apply the formula A minus B, A plus B. So A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here A is 1 and B is sine. So A square means square of 1 is always 1 and square of sine theta, that is sine square theta. So in this way, we write here 2 upon 1 minus sine square theta. We apply the identity A square minus B square. We write A minus B or A plus B. So A is 1 and B is sine theta. So here we write 1 square minus sine square theta. Okay. So 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to cos square theta. Already we discussed एक second. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Right? So equal to 1. So from this 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta or 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So here we write 2 upon cos square theta. So here 2 as it is 1 upon cos square theta. So 1 by cos is always equal to sec. So here is the square. So here we write sec square theta. So that is equal to right hand side. That is equal to right hand side. Okay. So equal to 2 upon cos square theta and 2 upon cos square theta is equal to 2 sec square theta. That is equal to RHS. So our first activity finished. Okay. So therefore we write 1 upon 1 minus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to 2 sec squared theta. Now next activity, second activity. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. If the bisector of angle ACB intersect the circle at point P, then prove that sec AB is congruent to sec BD. Complete the following activity. So first we see the figure. In circle is given, O is the center and AB is the diameter. Okay, and ACB bisector is given, ACB bisector is given, and AD square, we have to prove that AD square is equal to BD square. ये हमें proof करना. Now start proof. Draw sec OD. Here we draw the sec OD. Now see, first box means angle ACB is equal to dash is given. Now as we know that angle inscribed in a semicircle, this AB is the diameter. So this is the semicircle. So ACB is equal to 90 degree, means angle inscribed in semicircle is always equal to 90 degree. So in first box we write 90 degree. Second, DCB. So DC is the angle side bisector of angle C. So angle C is 90 degrees. So CD divided into two parts. That means angle by angle CD is the bisector of angle C. So therefore DCB is equal to 45 degrees. So in second box we write 45 degree. Now measure of arc DB. Measure of arc DB. See this DB is equal to this arc is double of this arc. Measure arc DB is double of angle ACB. Okay, so that is the inscribed angle theorem. Now next, angle DOB. Again, angle DOB is 90 degree. Definition of measures of angle triangle. And sec OA and OB. OA and OB, that is the radii of the circle. So in fifth box, we write the radii of the circle. And therefore, line OD is the perpendicular bisector of AP. Why we write here? Because OA and OB are equal. So therefore, it divides into two equal parts. Na? So we write here, it is a perpendicular bisector of sec AP. Okay, therefore, sec AD and sec BD are congruent. Now next, question number 3B. So question number 3B, problem on understanding application skills and important steps or multi-conceptual. So see, question number 3B, solve the following any two, and each question carry 3 marks. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 3 questions are given and you have to solve any two. Now first, find the value of y if the distance between point A and 2, 2 and B minus 1, y is 5. So again, this question is from chapter coordinate geometry. 2 points are given, their distance is given 5, and here you have to find the value of y. Okay, now that means distance diya hai, that means distance formula apply karna padega. Now write, see, distance between the 2 points. The formula is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now from the given question, x1 is 2, x2 is minus 1, y1 is 2, and y2 is equal to y. And distance is given 5. So we write AB square. We take the square. So AB square is equal to, see, just a minute. Here, distance of AB is equal to under root, we apply the formula. Then we take the squaring. So here square and this square and root get cancelled. So we write AB square is equal to x2 minus 1, x1 2. So minus 1 minus 2. And y2 is equal to y. So here put y as it is. And this is minus 2. Okay. Now substitute. This is minus 3 square. And this is as it is. Then we apply the formula. Pi square AB is given 5. So 5 square is equal to minus 3 square plus y plus 2 ka whole square. Then 5 square is 25. Square of 3 is 9. There we apply the formula y plus 2 whole square. So here we apply a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So y square plus 4y plus 4. Or directly we can taking the square root, means take this 9 on left hand side. So 25 minus 9 is equal to 16, and y plus 2 as it is. Then we take the square root. So y plus 2 is equal to under root 16, and 16 is the perfect square root of 4. So we get plus minus 4. Remember this thing, when we take the perfect square root, so we get two values, plus 4 or minus 4. So it has two solutions. Y plus y is equal y plus c. We write here y is equal to, one time we take minus 2 and second time we take plus 2. So y is equal to plus 2 or y is equal to minus 6. So it has two solutions. Y is equal to 2 भी हो सकता है and minus 6 भी हो सकता है. So in this question we apply the distance formula and we find the value. Okay. Now the value of y is 2 or minus 6. Now next question. This is from construction, geometric construction. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. Okay. And in triangle ABC, AB is given 5.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, CA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And you have to construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC by MN is equal to 5:4 is the. Now see, in case of construction, first you have to try to draw the rough figure. So rough figure is like this. Two triangles are similar, that is triangle are ABC and LMN. Their sides are given, BCD as 6, AB is given 5.5 and AC is equal to 4.5. So and their ratio is given, corresponding side ratio is given, BC by MN is equal to 5:4. Now we find the sides of the another similar triangle, that is LMN. Now triangle ABC is similar to LMN, right? If these two triangles are similar, then we write the corresponding sides, that is AB by LM is equal to BC by MN is equal to CA by LN. Okay, students. Now, one of the ratio is given, that is BC by MN is equal to 5/4. So we take that is equal to 5:4. Means AB by LM is equal to BC by MN is equal to CA by LN is equal to 5:4. So AB is given. When we take AB by LM is equal to 5/4, AB is 5.5. We solve and we find LM. Second case, we take BC by MN is equal to 5/4. Okay. Then we substitute BC is equal to 6. Then we find the MN. Similarly, third case, in third ratio, CA by MA, NA, LN is equal to 5/A. Again, we substitute CA is equal to 4.5. Then we get the value of LN. So one by one, we solve it. We substitute here the values. AB is equal to 5.5, LM as it is, BC is equal to 6, MN as it is, and CA is equal to 4.5, LN as it is. Now comparing the any two ratio, first we compare 5.5 divided by LM is equal to 5/4. Cross multiply it, then we get LM is equal to 4.4. Okay. Okay, 5.5 into 4 divided by 5, 1.1 into 4 is equal to 4.4. Then we consider the next ratio, that is 6 by MN is equal to 5:4. Again cross multiply it. So 6 into 4 is equal to 24, and 24 divided by 5, that is equal to 4.8. So second is MN is equal to 4.8, and third ratio, that is 4.5 by LN is equal to 5/4. Cross multiply, so where we get 4.5 into 4 divided by 5, that is equal to 3.6. So in this way, we find the sides of the another triangle, that is the LMN. So MN is 4.6, MN is 4.8, sorry. LM is 4.4 and LN is 3.6. So we write here in our rough figure. Now then we construct the triangle. So first we see. First, we draw the side BC, that is 6 centimeter. Then put your protect divider at point B and mark arc of 5.5 here. And from C, draw the arc of 4.5. And then we get the point and then join A to B and B to C. So this is the triangle ABC. Then in another second similar triangle MN, first we draw the line segment of 4.5, 4.8, name it as MN. And from M, mark the arc of 4.4, and from N, 3.6. We get the point, name it as L, and join that L to M and L to N. So in this way, we construct the two similar triangles. Okay. So this question is of 3 marks. Okay. Now here question number 3, B, finish. Now next, third question. So there are 3 questions. So you have to attempt any 2. Third question is, a rectangle PQR is inscribed in a circle with center T. Draw the figure and prove that. Okay. Circle के अंदर में PQRS rectangle inscribed है and CT is the center. And first we draw the figure and then prove this given condition. First condition is arc PQ is congruent to SR and SPQ congruent to PQR. Okay. Now first see solution. Here we draw the figure. First we draw the triangle. First we draw the circle and T is the center. Then we draw the rectangle PQRS. See in the figure. Now solution. First triangle, quadrilateral PQR is a rectangle, right? Simple, is a rectangle. So if it is a rectangle, then opposite sides of the rectangle are congruent. So we write chord PQ is congruent to SR. See in the figure, PQ is congruent to SR. So if PQ is congruent to SR, that means arc PQ and SR are also equal. Matlab arc corresponding to congruent chord are also congruent. Similarly, we write the another side, that is called PS. Yes, PS is congruent to QR. Then we write PS or SP, arc SP is equal to QP. Same condition apply here, arc corresponding to congruent chords. Okay, so, see PQRS. See, this side is equal to this, means this arc also congruent to this arc. This side is congruent to this. Okay, chord is congruent to this. So this arc is also congruent to this arc. That is the arc corresponding to congruent chord. Then next. So measure of arc SP and QR. See in the figure, SP and QR are equal होगा उनका measure. Why? Because इसका भी measure equal है तो उसका भी measure equal होगा. Therefore we write measure of arc SP plus PQ is equal to measure of arc PQ plus QR. Okay. So when we write this, so we write here SPQ. Just a minute. We write SPQ. Why we write SPQ? Because arc SP plus PQ. We write SPQ and measure arc PQ plus QR equal to PQR. Okay. So therefore, these are congruent. That means this SPQ congruent to PQ. Sorry, PQR. Here is PQR. Here is PQR. Now next question number 4. Question number 4, challenging or hot problem out of textbook unseen type questions, but based on your syllabus. So solve the following questions, any 2, and each question carry 4 marks. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Now see student, first question. Prove that any 3 points on a circle cannot be collinear. So you have to prove that सर्कल पे कोई भी 3 पॉइंट रहे वो कोलिनियर नहीं होते, ऐसा आपको प्रूफ करना है. सो सी सॉल्यूशन. So a circle with center O and 3 points. 3 points means point A, B, C lie on the circle. So here we see. So we have to prove that these points are not collinear. So for this we draw the figure. See in the figure, O is the center and A, B, C points lies on the circle. See figure, A, B, C lies on the circle. Now proof. Start proof. 4-mark question. So we start the proof. So OA is equal to OB. Simple, na? Radii of the same circle. So OA is equal to OB. We write the first line. OA is equal to OB. And point O is equidistant from the end point A and B of a set AB. Means end point hai. Means A equidistance par hai. That therefore OA and OB are equal. Equidistant, that is the radii, na? Therefore equidistance par hai seg AB ke. Now, therefore, point O lie on the perpendicular bisector of AB. है ना? Means point O lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. AB से bisector draw किया, that is line, that is perpendicular bisector theorem apply किया. So L is the line, L is the bisector of line segment AB. Similarly, we can prove that point O lies on the perpendicular bisector of BC. Same, BC may be O lies on the perpendicular bisector. Therefore, O is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of AB and BC. AB and BC ka point of intersection perpendicular bisector is O. Therefore, it is called as the circumcenter of a triangle. Right? Suppose that point A, B, C are collinear. Suppose, here we supposing that these 3 points are collinear. So in the figure, A, B, C, 3 points are collinear. And if we draw their perpendicular bisectors, so they are parallel to each other. See, ये दोनों एक दूसरे को parallel. But in above case, these two perpendicular bisector meet at point O. But यहाँ parallel है, so they never meet. The perpendicular bisector of AB and BC will be parallel, and perpendicular to the same line are always parallel, and they do not intersect at any point or O point. So this contradicts statement that if the perpendicular bisector intersect each other at point O, so our supposition that A, B, C are collinear is false. ये false है condition. Therefore, we write the point A, B and C are non-collinear points. Okay. अगर ये collinears होते तो उनके perpendicular bisector कभी भी meet नहीं हो पाता था. बट यहाँ पे बोला है O उसका center है, circle है, तो उसका perpendicular bisector O point पे meet हो रहा. That is the circumcenter of the circle. So in this way we prove this question. Okay. Now second question. Second question is from out of syllabus, so we never discuss it. Next, third question. Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral now solution. Now quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Here we consider given condition is given that ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes. So here we have to prove that angle A plus, we draw the, just a minute. Yes. A, B, C, D cyclic quadrilateral. So this angle B plus D is equal to 180 degree and A plus C is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove that. Now here we write, yes, see in the figure, A, B, C, D is a cyclic, right? So B plus D is equal to 180 degree and A plus C is equal to 180 degree proof karna. Now arc ABC, see in the figure, arc ABC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ADC. See, this arc ABC, ADC में inscribe कर रहा है. Therefore, angle ADC is half of the major arc ABC. Simple. Now, this is equation number 1. Similarly, angle ABC is an inscribed angle. ABC is an inscribed angle and it intercepted the arc ADC. Therefore, we write angle ABC is equal to half of the major angle ADC. Right? See, this arc inscribed by this angle. So this angle is half of this arc. In second case, this angle is inscribed by this arc. So angle ABC is half of arc ADC. Right? So from equation 1 and 2, we take from 1 and 2, half major angle ADC plus we add equation 1 and 2. Major angle ADC plus ABC is equal to half major angle ABC plus half major angle ADC. Now here we write that is equal to half, we take half common, measure of arc ABC plus measure of arc ADC. ABC and ADC. So total circumference is equal to 360, right? So half into 360, complete circle आ गया यहाँ पे. So we write 360. So 360 divided by 2, or we take the half, so equal to 180 degree. So here we get this. See this angle, this angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right? So in this way, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So in question number 4, there are three questions, but one is from out of syllabus. So you solve question 1 and 3 compulsory. There is no option. Okay. Now fourth question finish. We completed question number 4, and the last question number 5. This question specially created by a teacher to take the clarity and use of the mathematical concept learned in the class. So this question you have to solve any one. 2 questions are given and each question carry 3 marks. So question number 5, last question. Now first question, draw triangle ABC. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. So in this question, you have to draw its circum circle. Okay. So first we see the question, read the question carefully. Then angle BAC भी दिया है 90 degree, and you have to draw the circum circle. Okay, construction of triangle. So in this, you have to write the steps. Now this is the figure. First we take a very simple question. Just a minute. So yes, AB is given. So AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BAC 90 degree. So we put the protractor at point and mark at 90 degree, right? And then AC is 12. So here AC and then join A to C. So this is a right angle triangle one. Now here we want to draw the circum circle. So we take the side bisector. Okay. See, for circum circle, we draw the side bisector, and for in circle, we draw the angle bisector. Okay. Then we take the bisector, side bisector here. Again, we take the side bisector here. And we get a circumcenter. Then put your divider at this point and then draw the circum circle. Okay. So simple. Now first we write the steps. First, let the base of the triangle be AB is equal to 5 centimeter. First we take the base, that is AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay students, first we take the base, that is 5 centimeter. With taking A as the center, draw angle BAC equal to 90 degree. Yes, we draw the angle BAC, that is equal to 90 degree. And draw ray AX. Now third, then we measure 12 centimeter on your compass with the A as center and mark. From A, we take 12 centimeter and we mark the point here. Now point C at 12 centimeter from A on the ray AX. Next, join point B and C to get a triangle. फिर हम B and C को join कर देंगे. We get a triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. Now, construction of perpendicular bisector. अब यहाँ पे हम bisector draw करेंगे. Perpendicular bisector. So, for perpendicular bisector, we taking A as center and take more than half of side AB. AB का more than half लेके we draw the arc. Mark arc below and above the line. Okay, means here below or above the line. Then again take same distance and B as a center and same radius. Draw the arc above and below the line to intersect the already drawn arc. Okay, so here we draw and we get this line. Okay, this line. This is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Then next point, name the new points PQ. Name it as PQ. Then joint P and Q. This line is the required perpendicular bisector of side AC. Now next, similarly we draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. And then construction of circum circle. For construction of circum circle, we get a intersection point of these two perpendicular bisector. We name it as O and take the distance, and then taking point O as a center and OA as a radius, and point B and C should lie on the circle. We draw the circle, and that is the required circumcircle of the triangle ABC. Now next question and last question. Question number 5, second question. In right angle triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Okay. A circle with radius R is inscribed in the triangle. If A, B, C are the length of the sides BC, AC and AB respectively, prove that 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay. So right angle triangle is given. Okay, C is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. R radius is. So we see the figure. In figure, O is the center and ACB is equal to 90 degree. And if A, B, C are the length of the side BC, AC and AB. So here we write A, yes, side BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B and AB is equal to C. Okay, now so we have to prove that 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. ये हमें prove करना है. So let's start solution. The vertices of triangle produce tangent of the circle. See this vertices means A, B, C. This the vertices means A, B, C. These three vertices produces the tangent at the circle. So AP is equal to, see in the figure, AP, this distance AP is equal to AQ. है ना? This AP is equal to AQ. Means this is the tangent now. So this distance and this distance are equal. So AP is equal to, yes, AP is equal to AQ. First we write. Okay. Now CP is equal to CR, and similarly we write BR is equal to BQ. Clear? Okay. Now next. So AB. So AB is given is AB is equal to C, AC is equal to B, and BC is equal to A. Now consider this small quadrilateral CPOR. This side CPOR. This one CPOR. So this is equal to R, right? So it is a square. Square means all sides are equal to R. CPR, CRR, ORR, and OPR. So that is equal to R. So if this distance is r, right? And this all equal to a. So this distance becomes a minus r, right? And if this is a minus r, so this is congruent to this. So this is also equal to a minus r. If this distance is r and total is b, so here we write b minus r. So this distance is b minus r, and this is equal to this. So this is also equal to b minus r. Okay. Now, so bq is equal to br. We write bq is equal to br. That is equal to a minus r. Simply we find br is equal to a minus r, or bq is equal to a minus r. Similarly, AP is equal to AC. We already write AP is equal to AC. That is equal, sorry. AP is equal to CP minus AP, or AC is equal to AP minus CP. So we find B minus R. So AP is equal to B minus R. So AQ is also equal to B minus R. So in this way, AQ is equal to B minus R. Is it clear? Now, AB is equal to C. AB side AB is equal to C. So AQ, yes, AQ plus BQ is equal to C, right? Yes. Now again we find this side is equal to, yes, this B minus R plus A minus R is equal to C, right? So here we write A plus B minus 2R is equal to C. Okay, now here we write B plus A minus 2R is equal to C. Now we take this 2R on the right hand side and C on left hand side. So we write here 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay, so hence proof 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. So this is very simple question. First you have to find, see, in this question, this is a circle, and these triangles are the vertices. Sorry, these vertices are like a tangent of the circle. Okay, so this side and this side are equal, this side equal, this side and this side equal, right? So if this is r and total distance is given b, so we find b minus r. If this is b minus r, this is equal to b minus r. If this is r, this is r, this is total a, so this is a minus r. Again this is a minus r. Simply we find, and then we consider this side, that is ab. So ab is equal to c hai. So we write ab is equal to aq plus qb is equal to c. We put here AQ B minus R and QB A minus R. So we get our final proof. Okay. So thank you, student. Good luck on your next exam. All the best. Hello.
Alia, unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
Yes, Alia.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1B आप बता सकते हो वापस से?
Yes, beta. Question number 1B. कौन सा question? Which question, बेटू? Yes, Alia.
First.
Just a minute. Question number 1B. Yes, this one. यही क्वेश्चन आलिया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
यस मिस यही वाला है.
Okay, okay. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल इज गिवन. यू हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ देयर एरिया. So we apply the theorem of area of similar triangle, that is area ratio of the area of triangle 1 to the triangle 2 is equal to s1 square upon s2 square. So their ratio is given 3:5. So the answer is 9:25. And in second question, 2 points are given, P and Q. You have to find the distance between these 2 points. So here we apply the distance formula and then we find the distance of PQ. Okay. And question number 3. To draw the circumference of a triangle ABC, for how many sides will you draw perpendicular bisector and why? So इस क्वेश्चन में 2 परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हमें एक सर्कम सेंटर मिलेगा. उस सर्कम सेंटर को हम मतलब वहां से हम सर्कम सर्कल निकाल सकते हैं. सो एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, 3 साइड्स दी है. सो यू हैव टू शो दैट दिस 3 साइड फॉर्म अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. So we take the square of the largest side, that is 25 का square 625, and then we check the remaining 2 sides square. So we get 625. That is the triplet format हो रहा है यहाँ पे follow. So this side 7, 24, 25 form a right angle triangle. Okay बेटा, clear? Yes.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 A.
Third A. Just a minute. ये फर्स्ट या सेकंड क्वेश्चन? यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है. प्रूफ करना है आपको. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक का क्वेश्चन है. तो 1 माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस 1/1 प्लस साइन थीटा. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज गिवन. यहाँ पे बॉक्सेस दिए आपको, वो फिल करना था. तो फर्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो 1 माइनस साइन थीटा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा. देन वी अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला a माइनस b. a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. यस. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So 2 as it is, and 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. So that is equal to right hand side. And the second question is, in the given figure, AB diameter दिया है, right? So see, yes. So AB is a diameter. That means arc ACB is a semicircle. So angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. And BD is the bisector, angle C का. Therefore DCB is equal to 45. So ये angle is this angle is inscribed by arc DB. So we write here that is equal to 90 degree. उसका double हो जाएगा 2 into 45, that is equal to 90 degree. So angle DOB 90 degree हो गया, and OD is the perpendicular bisector of sec AB. Okay.